Want more views on your YouTube videos with VidIQ or TubeBuddy? Of course you do. Every YouTuber dreams of going viral and reaching a wider audience. But with millions of videos competing for attention, it's tough to stand out. That's where YouTube SEO tools come in. Two popular options are VidIQ and TubeBuddy. These tools act like secret weapons, providing valuable insights and helping you optimize your videos for better search rankings. Think of them as your personal YouTube assistants. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into VidIQ and TubeBuddy, comparing their features, benefits, and ease of use. By the end, you'll clearly understand which tool aligns best with your YouTube goals. Whether you're a beginner finding your feet or a seasoned pro aiming for exponential growth, this comparison will equip you to make an informed decision. Let's get started. VidIQ is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your YouTube strategy. It's like having a team of experts guiding your every move. With VidIQ, you can unlock valuable data and insights that would otherwise remain hidden. One of VidIQ's standout features is its robust keyword research tool. Finding the right keywords is crucial for attracting viewers who are genuinely interested in your content. VidIQ helps you discover relevant keywords, analyze their search volume, and even suggests related terms to broaden your reach. But VidIQ doesn't stop there. It also provides in-depth video analytics that go beyond the basic YouTube analytics. You can track your video's performance over time, identify your audience demographics, and understand how viewers are engaging with your content. This data allows you to refine your strategy, optimize your videos, and ultimately grow your channel. Let's imagine you're a food blogger wanting to create a video about baking the perfect chocolate chip cookies. With VidIQ, your journey begins with keyword research. You input chocolate chip cookies into VidIQ's keyword tool. Voila! VidIQ presents you with a goldmine of information. You'll see the keyword search volume, competition level, and a list of related keywords like best chocolate chip cookie recipe or chewy chocolate chip cookies. This data helps you choose the most effective keywords for your video title, description, and tags. Next, you upload your video and use VidIQ's video optimization checklist. This checklist ensures you've covered all the essential elements for SEO, such as writing compelling titles and descriptions, adding relevant tags, and creating eye-catching thumbnails. As your video gains traction, VidIQ's analytics dashboard becomes your best friend. You can track views, watch time, audience retention, and more. You'll see which keywords are driving traffic to your video, and understand how viewers are interacting with your content. VidIQ is a comprehensive YouTube SEO tool that empowers creators with valuable data and insights. Its keyword research, video analytics, and optimization features are invaluable for anyone serious about growing their YouTube channel. If you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, consider giving VidIQ a try. They offer a free trial so you can experience its power firsthand without any risk. In the next section, we'll explore another popular YouTube tool, TubeBuddy, and see how it stacks up against VidIQ. Stay tuned! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out VidIQ and TubeBuddy for optimizing your YouTube channel.